The KAX CU2170 car engine radiator is tailored for older Ford trucks and the Excursion with a 5.4-liter engine, so it drops in without awkward modifications or bracket improvising. Cooling performance is strong thanks to a dense fin layout and an aluminum core that sheds heat quickly, which helps these heavy vehicles stay stable in traffic, towing, and hot weather. The build quality feels solid, with corrosion-resistant materials and neatly formed plastic tanks that suggest it is designed to handle long-term thermal cycling without premature leaks. Fitment is made easier by closely matching original equipment dimensions and connection points, so hoses and mounts line up cleanly and installation time is kept reasonable for a do-it-yourself owner or a shop. The radiator arrives in very protective packaging with reinforced corners and ample cushioning, which greatly reduces the chance of bent fins or cracked tanks during shipping. Overall, this radiator offers a dependable replacement option for aging Ford cooling systems, combining reliable temperature control, durable construction, and straightforward compatibility.